Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the Bangkok Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Flight Status button. So to get the status of the chosen flight, just type in the flight number. And then you have to give the departure date. So just select that. And once you provided both, just click on the Get Flight Status, and they will give it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.